Let's get started by saving our file. The first thing that we want to do is find a link on the page that says Download File. Now click on that link. A new window will appear. Click Save. What you're going to do is find your student folder by selecting from the drop-down menu and finding your student number. Now you can name your file. You can change the name of your file or add your name onto the file. And finally, click Save. A new window will appear. To open the file, click Open. Now we're going to create our graph. You notice here's the data that I need to record in my chart. It says 7 students like apples. So I'm going to record apples under fruit and 7 under students. And then it says 4 students like bananas. Bananas, 4. Grapes says 2 students like grapes. Oranges, 4 students like oranges. Pears, 3 students like pears. And finally, peaches, 1 student likes peaches. Now that I have all my data, what I'm going to do is create a graph. I need to highlight my data. Notice that I am not highlighting fruits or students. We do not highlight the labels. Okay? To highlight, what you do is you select the corner of what you'd like to highlight with your mouse and drag down over all the data. And you will see a box around all the data. Okay? Then you go up to Insert. You're going to insert a graph. You can insert a column graph, line, pie, bar, area graph, scatter graph, or there are other charts as well. For this one, I'm going to insert a column graph. I'm going to choose 3D column. And you notice my column graph automatically appears. To move my column graph, I select the edge of the graph and drag it over. I can also resize the graph by selecting the corner to make it a little bit bigger. Once I have the graph selected, I can also change the color of the graph. There are many different color options. Click the down arrow in your design view. I can make mine black and red. I can also change the information that is displayed in the graph by choosing a variety of different layouts up here. When you are finished, don't forget to save. Click on the Office button. We've already saved it in our student folder, so now we don't need to save as again. You can just select Save. Have fun creating your own Excel graph. And don't forget, you can create more than one graph. For this project, I'd like you to try to create 3 different graphs using the same data.